Welcome to EasyTurn, provided by Empire Today for Business. Whether you manage one property or hundreds, having an easy way to coordinate your flooring projects means everything. It gives you the freedom to handle the day-to-day while knowing your unit turns are set up to run smoothly. Empire Today for Business has the tool to make it happen. EasyTurn, the smart way to manage your flooring projects online. It starts with a simple dashboard. Everything you need is there. All of your locations and floor plans. This gives you an easy way to oversee flooring jobs at a glance. Ready to replace a floor? That's easy. Skip the back and forth phone calls with suppliers. EasyTurn allows you to quickly find your unit and customize your flooring replacement, down to the trim you want to be used. Even on the go, you can schedule flooring work. And Empire will have the necessary materials and labor ready exactly when you need it. EasyTurn doesn't end at scheduling. It stores invoices so you can track your budget, and expenses are automatically matched to your building's units, so you can monitor spend over time. That way, you get insights tailored to your business. So delete the spreadsheets and toss the paper. EasyTurn keeps you a step ahead so you can meet deadlines. A new way to manage flooring replacement is here. Better, faster, simpler. EasyTurn. Only at Empire Today for Business.